Alright, so I just want to show you the final step. After you have searched and added the keywords, the videos that you want to target, the channels that you want to target, the last step is to take the campaign CSV and export it and import it in Google Ads. So I'm going to show you that. So now I've got some data in my new campaign. I'm going to just click on export to Google CSV. This will give me a CSV file, and I can see that it's a small CSV file. I've only got very little data. Go into Google Ads editor. This is a free tool that you can download, and it will let you import very easily. Just click on account, click on import, click on from file, then select the file that you want to import. In our case, it will be TubeTarget or CSV. This is the one that I've imported, and you can see that your campaign, your ad group, your keywords, your YouTube video, everything has been added over here. Click on finish and review changes, and your campaign, it will be added. So I added something called my test campaign. So you will need to give it your own name and add it. So whatever name you select, it will be added and imported in Google Ads editor.